God. I pray for restoration of whatever the enemy stole from us. Restoration of whatever the enemy stole from our nation. Restoration of whatever the enemy stole from our families, oh God. Oh. We bless you, Lord. The God of all restoration. You are restoring our businesses. You are restoring our lives. You are restoring our children. You are restoring our young ones, Lord. Our trust and confidence is in you, oh God. As your word says in the book of Amos chapter number 9 verses 14, that I will restore the fortune of my people Israel, and they shall rebuild the ruined cities and inhabit them. They shall plant vineyards and drink their wine. They shall make gardens and eat their fruits. May you restore us, Lord. Rebuild our ruined cities. Rebuild our ruined marriages. Rebuild our ruined homes. Rebuild our ruined nations, oh God. That we shall inhabit them again. Whatever we plant, we shall yield. It shall yield. Whatever vineyards we plant, we shall drink of their wine. We shall rejoice in whatever blessings that you have bestowed upon us. We know and we are glad that when we are weak, then we are strong in you, Lord. Your restoration is what we pray for. Restoration of everything that the enemy has stolen from us. That we may rejoice once again in your restoration. That we may comfort one another and agree with one another and live in peace. That the God of love and peace may we be with us as a nation. We lost it in tribal wars. We lost it, Daddy. We lost it. And even in the church, we are fighting against ourselves. Denomination against denomination. We pray. Restore back the